are you? So there's another question. The dashed line represents the variation with incident electromagnetic frequency F of the kinetic energy Ek of the photoelectron ejected from the metal surface. So this dashed line is basically given in a graph where the y-axis is the energy, kinetic energy, and x-axis is the frequency. The thermal surface is then replaced with one that requires less energy to remove the electron from the surface. Which graph of the variation of Ek with F will be observed? So basically we know like if there is a graph, if we draw a graph between Ek, that is the energy or maximum kinetic energy, and F, we always get a straight line graph. Okay, so whenever we change the surface, we know that it will be always parallel graph. It means the slope is always same. So in all these options, A option and D option can be right because A is parallel to C, A parallel to the dashed line, and D is also parallel to the dashed line. So A and D can be the right answer. So, but they say it requires less energy. So less energy means it would be nearer to the origin. A will be the right option in this case because this energy, when there will be lower frequency, if frequency 1 is less, then also the electron are able to come out of this plate and they start moving. If it would be D, more frequency would be required, then it would be able to emit those electrons. So there is two things, that is one, nearer to the origin, that is it will generate energy at easier mode, and it would be parallel to the dashed one. So A is our right answer. So now we will check. The maximum also says A is the right answer. So hope you enjoyed the video and your doubt is clear now. Thank you for watching the video.